Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to fix channel cannot be displayed problem on Telegram. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that this is caused because Telegram is filtering certain contents. So how to fix this? Let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Telegram Wave, and let's get into it. We cannot do this in app. Now click on Start Messaging. Now click on this three-lined icon in the top right corner. Now click on Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. If we scroll down, we can see this Disable Filtering option. Here we can see sensitive content is turned off. That is, by clicking on this, we can disable filtering. After which, we'll be able to see all of the contents. So this is all. So this is how we can fix channel cannot be displayed problem on Telegram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.